Can you believe? In most of the sports, many sports, Newton's third law of motion is applicable, it is involved, and it plays a crucial important role. We all love cricket, no doubt. When the bat hits the ball and ball goes in the forward direction, at the same time the ball also exerts equal and opposite force to the bat. The ball also exerts equal and opposite force to the bat. So this is a bat. So the bat can be moved into the backward direction also. When this is a ball, when hit the ball, the bat can be moved into the opposite direction also. Ball in this direction, bat go in this direction. That is equal and opposite forces. The bat applies the force on the ball, ball also applies the equal and opposite force on the bat, so the bat can be moved into the backward direction. Similarly, hockey, table tennis, badminton, baseball, where we hit the ball also exerts equal and opposite force, and so the stick can be also moved into the backward direction. In the football, the same action is taken. The football also exerts the equal and opposite force on the foot. Share this important and simple information to the maximum student as possible. Share. Thanks. Share.